lips look like heaven, but your tongue tasted like sin. Every whispered promise cut deeper than my skin. Now every fucking kiss feels venomous within.
Still echoes where my heartbeat used to hide. I swallowed every lie because I wanted you beside. Now silence is the only thing that never leaves my side.
Tongue baptized me with deception, dressed as grace. Every I love you disappear without a trace. I carved your words like scripture, now the scars across my face. The sweetest poison always wears the prettiest disguise. Now I choke on every memory your mouth left behind.
But your lies were bittersweet. I kept feeding my soul to something built to never keep. Now the echo of your voice still follows every beat.
I don't miss your body, I miss who I thought you were. Every sentence left another vision blurred. Your tongue built a kingdom from illusions and desire. Now I'm watching every castle disappear inside the fire. The truth survived, everything else burned.
Our mouths spoke forever. Our hearts never